started. I'm Jack Dunn, and this is my bike. These are my amateur RD bars I got from 25.9. They're like 9 inches high or something and 30 inches wide, with the mate grips and Odyssey power ends. And a mutiny lifted stem with a flush top cap done by Ranger Co. And a headset top cap made as well. My back wheel, profile hub with 10-foot tie driver and halo spokes and Odyssey azurite rim with a fit FAF tyre with an inner tube that holds the area. I got a fly peg on the back and an Odyssey Bluebird chain with Harrow plastic pedals and light brakes and a flat floor sprocket. I got profile mini on the front, halo spokes and Odyssey hazard light with another fit FAF tyre with another inner tube that holds air. A McNeil fashion of the light peg or something with oh, it's something sticky here. With flag books. I got like the aeroplane 20.6, really short, and a McNeil seat and post with stickers. The almighty thumbs up.